PetrowareD Land and Minerals Management module is a fully integrated database, allowing the user to maintain both a lease and a mineral library. These libraries, through tract acreage and well associations, have obligation payments that are easily made through the land check feature. Our superior product provides multiple layers that are not found in other systems and is available in either a standalone version or integrated with PetrowareD's famous live accounting system. Let's take a closer look at some of the features of this innovative and powerful solution.
Taking just a few moments, you can see that I've opened my Module Explorer and exposed all the different screens and features in the PetrowareD Land system. Let's start off by taking a look at the Lease Master screen. We have a Ben Burgess et al. Lease that we've set up 3 tracks on. You can see that under our Lease Master we have a General, Delay Rental, Minimum Royalty, Pew Mother Hubbard Pooling, Drilling Force Majeure, Shut-in, and Participant screen. The participant screen is actually very interesting because we could set up a non-totaled interest that doesn't balance so that we could actually see where we have ability to sell more working interest. It's kind of unusual and unique to Petraware. Looking at the tracks that were set up for this lease, we can see that we have a track .01, .02, and .02B. The .02 is for the same 40 acres in the 2B, but this tract was to attach a well to the surface to 5,000 feet, where the next well was completed below 5,000 feet. So as you can see, we can have a well code on the same acreage, but we could have 2 different well codes. You could set up as many wells on the same acreage over and over again, or create multiple wells to the same acres. Let's take a quick look at our General and Special Provisions screen. Unique to Petraware is the ability by type of provision, in this case a legal description. You can copy and paste and put those really long, nice legal descriptions in. Even if there are several pages, this is a copy and paste type feature. It's the same with your shut-in and your water limitations. So literally I'm going to be able to run a report on all special provisions, or by the S1 or our shut-in provision 1, or our water limitations, our WL type. Moving right along, let's look at our recording information on this same lease. The recording information goes for multiples, where I can use for a lease, amendment, ratification, or assignment. This way I can have as many lease types and those recordings as I would like, and those will be searchable by each type, by each date, by each county, etc. Also, just a quick look at the obligations screen shows us that we're going to be able to set up any type of obligation that we may have, even a non-cash. In this particular type, we've set up a delay rental that's due annually with our next due date, and with a description that's going to print on our land check, so that our receiver, Mr. Ben Burgess, will understand anything he needs to know on that check and perhaps not call us, which would be nice. You're going to also be able to run some beautiful reports out of the land system. Let's start with probably everyone's favorite, the lease data sheet. Now, if you haven't seen our parameter boxes up to this point in any of our demos, these are really nice crystal report parameters. You're going to be able to pull anything by state or county, by active or non-active status, by our prior lease code number selection, and as you can see, quite a variety of parameters you're going to be able to set. You're going to be able to set those, each individual one, by one or all, a range, or a pick list. Let's go back up here to the discrete value of our lease selection, pull our same lease that we've been looking at, and pull the lease data sheet. Now what you're seeing first here is a cover sheet but we can page directly to our lease information. If we had pulled several leases, they would all appear over here in order on the left-hand side in kind of a preview. You'll note that this lease data sheet prints out in a very beautiful format, ready to be exported to put directly into PDF straight out of the system or to Excel spreadsheets. As a matter of fact, one of my favorite reports to pull out to an Excel spreadsheet is the detailed track report. If we print this report, I'm not even going to select a parameter. I'm going to tell it to bring me everything. Let me minimize that to where we can see it in our screen as well. You'll note that these tracks are now put out in a nice format for exporting to Excel, and it's as simple to export to Excel as selecting our export button, selecting the format and application that you would like, and going straight into the Excel spreadsheet. Pull this down just a little where you can see the whole thing. Very nice, very neat, very clean, very easy to use.
PetrowareD's Land and Minerals Management Solution offers exclusive features that you simply won't find anywhere else. Enjoy incredible reporting power at your fingertips. Call Avatar Systems today.